and for Guru Rama, his grace took the sweetest form. Moved by her pure devotion, Lord Krishna appeared before her, not as the majestic deity of Guruvayur, but as a little boy, radiant with mischief and innocence. This divine child, whom all affectionately called Unni Krishna, became her constant companion. He listened to her stories, helped her with temple chores, and clung to her side with the affection of a son. To Guru Rama, he was not a god to be worshipped from afar. He was her child, her joy, her very heartbeat. No story of Krishna is complete without the sacred love between mother and son. A love that transcends the mortal and touches the divine. The composition of Madhava Murahara beautifully captures this tender bond, where every note becomes a mother's lullaby and every step a prayer of love. Through this presentation, we witness the sweetness of devotion that turns worship into motherhood and the divine into family. Performing this evening, Jia as Guru Rama and Devi as Little Krishna. This pada is set to the composition Madhava Murahara, composed by Kottayattu Thamburan, Ragam Kuntalavarali, Talam Mishra.
You